Science teacher. Essentially, cooking meth is extremely risky. Is that Heisenberg? All right, this is the Minute Cryptic from July 25th by member Jamie L. Cooking is like a really common anagram indicator. So we might be anagramming meth here. And is often a linking word between the definition and the wordplay. This is a really long word. But I'm also thinking maybe science teacher, like, I don't know, biologist or something. Could be it. That doesn't have meth in it at all, but extremely risky. If we take the extreme letters of risky, it could be RY. So like we could end in RY. We could cook meth is. Oh, I didn't go far enough. We could cook at meth is. We could anagram meth is. Now, essentially, though, or maybe it's science teacher, essentially. Chemistry. Is it chemistry? Let's see if we can justify this. So METH, METH. We have the is. It's probably teacher essentially gets us the C. So science, chemistry being a science teacher didn't make any sense. But what does make sense is for science to be chemistry. And then we take the essential letter of teacher. The essential is the middle letter, which is the C. And that gives us chemistry. All right. Nice. That was a fun one. How'd you do?